Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today is Thursday and we have another set of 5 questions. And once again, I would like to urge all of my bright students of Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala that you are supposed to find a place in the list of finally selected candidates of Civil Services Examination 2024. Therefore, you should must go extra mile. But these things are simple. Not I am not telling you to do some extra work, but I am just telling what is necessary to do, and not failing to do the necessary things on a daily basis, on a regular basis, is the simplest, easiest, and most effective method to attract success. Success is attracted. Success is not to be pursued or not to be hunted down. Success will come to you when you will deserve, and process of deserving starts with solving questions, searching correct answers from the textbook itself, and in this process you will develop all the qualities that is required or expected from a civil services aspirant by Union Public Service Commission. So let us start with the questions. Today is 31st August, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala, Thursday. Medieval India, NCERT, chapter number 14. Question number 1. Battle of Banihatti was fought A. between Vijayanagar on one side and Ahmednagar on other side. B. between Vijayanagar and combined forces of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. C. between Vijayanagar and combined forces of Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda. And in year 1665. Next question. Bargirs in context of medieval Indian history is related to it should be related to Bahmani kingdom, B. Vijayanagar kingdom, Gujarat, Mughal administration. Question number 3. Safavid dynasty belonged to A. Iran, B. Egypt, C. Turkey, all. Next question. Concept of Sulah Kul belonged to A. Akbar, B. Humayun, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. Question number 5. Ibrahim Adil Shah was ruler of Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Golconda, Berar. So these are the questions. Kindly solve these questions and search the correct answers. This is the only method to ensure selection, and selection in any examination, not only in UPSC Civil Services examination. Although there is much misinformation and disinformation about this examination, that it is very difficult. No, it is not difficult. It is a simple examination, and you will have to be simple. Difficult, your mind is difficult. You have to become simple in your mind, simple in your heart, simple in your action, and the success will come to you. You will not have to pursue success. Success will pursue you if you do the certain things on a regular basis. Good luck. Go ahead. Jai India, Jai Bihar, Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala.